welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. I am feeling a little bit under the weather. Feel like I'm starting to get a cold or some sinus issues, and my rheumatoid arthritis is acting up. So forgive me if I seem a little off today, but I wanted to go ahead and make another video to share with you guys. I am excited because my October Birchbox came in. And I think the box this month is so cute. It's all these different leaves and then this like beautiful burgundy. It says, here's stuff. It says magic inside. So goodness, something is in there. So we are going to dive in and see what October has in store with Birchbox. So all right, so I'm guessing the theme for the month is turn over a new leaf, which hints the leaves. It's just saying, you know, a beauty hack. Even as the temperatures start to dip and the days get shorter, it's still important to wear SPF every day. So just great outdoors, go for a walk or a drive to take in all of autumn's vibrant colors during peak foliage season. And then as always on the back we have our products, so I'm going to put that to the side and we're just going to pull them out and I'll reference when we need to. So the first thing I see, well, let me show you. This is the box. What's inside? So the first thing I see is some kind of Melu hair shield. Not exactly sure if I am saying that correctly. Says mellow heat protecting shield for long or damaged hair. Scudo. Oh, that's another language. I thought it was gonna say something, y'all. Yeah. This is by Davies. Cannot talk. Full size is $37. Defend hair against heat damage, and with this pre-styling spray infused with lentil seed and panthenol to boost moisture and add shine before heat styling, spray throughout damp hair. Okay. Honestly, it kind of smells like paint. Let me see if we... Okay, no, it smells better spraying it. I was like, Alright, so that is the first item. I actually am probably going to put this, we do have a small giveaway going on that will end on October 21st. The link for that video will be down below so you know what you need to do to enter. But I am putting stuff to the side for a bigger giveaway in maybe like a month and a half or so. So I think I'm going to take this and put it aside for the bigger giveaway. Just because I already have so many hair products, and yeah, share the love with you guys. Alright, so the next thing I am pulling out is by Marcel. This is a BB cream in Golden Glow. Full size is $29. This paraben and oil-free BB cream gives skin a golden glow while also controlling shine and evening out your skin tone. So that's great. I definitely will give this a try. Yeah, I'm excited about that. And then we have another little tiny sample. This is by Air Repair. This is Protect and Prevent Hydrating Serum. Full size is $26. Your skin will drink up this serum with hydrating hyaluronic acid and protective cloudberry seed oil. After cleansing and before moisturizing, apply 1 to 3 drops to the face and neck. So if it's just 1 to 3 drops per use and it looks like maybe just once a day, this actually probably will last a week or so, a week or two. So that's a good, I mean, it's a tiny sample, but for what you get, I think it's a good size sample. I don't want, the samples where you literally probably get like 1 use are like, okay, I may need more than 1 time to know if I like it, but that, you know, if it's just 1 to 3 drops, like I said, that should last a week or 2. The next product is by Well People, BioCorrect Multi-Action Concealer in Light. Full size is $22.99. Again, it's a tiny sample, but for concealer, little goes a long way. This creamy concealer uses organic algae, coffee, and anti-aging peptides to depuff, brighten, and smooth fine lines. Dab under your eyes or on top of trouble areas. Interesting. With coffee. Okay, so I'm excited to try that. Did I do a close-up of this one, you guys? I'm sorry if I didn't. And we have one final product in here, and this is by Ico. It is their Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. Full size is $22. Whether you want to achieve a subtle or defined line or a more advanced cat eye, this liquid eyeliner gives you the most precise line thanks to its easy to hold pen tip. I have received this eyeliner in many different boxes, and it's a great eyeliner. I really, really do like it, but I actually have one that I haven't even opened yet, so this is also going to go into the pile for the giveaway in a month and a half or so. We'll just call it the November giveaway. So it will run some point in November, so this is going again into the November giveaway. So that was 2 products from this box that you guys could get. So I'm happy with Birchbox. Again, I keep hearing so many hit or miss things with Birchbox, but I again am very pleased with the variety. You know, we did get some skincare, but we also got makeup and a hair product, so I think that was absolutely fabulous. If I didn't say, for those of you that do not know, Birchbox is $10 a month, and you do receive 5 beauty samples. I will make sure to put a link for them down below if you would like to sign up. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have not already, please do subscribe. We'd love to have you. And otherwise, I hope you guys, again, have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you at the next video.